Hello and welcome back to the Lean Programmers YouTube channel, and this is your friend Madhav Behel, and today I'm going to show you how can you build an AI agent using N8N in less than 20 minutes, in just about 20 minutes. That's it. Here's what we are going to build today. We are going to integrate a chatbot, an AI chatbot in Telegram. And this is how it's going to look like. It's going to reply to all your messages. Hey, good morning. Explain in one line what is N8N. Good morning. Blah, 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 blah. You can talk anything to it. And this is just going to be a simple chatbot. You can customize it as you like. If you want, you can build a therapy chatbot which will be customized specifically to help you with your therapy. You can specifically make a workout related chatbot which can keep track of your workouts and so on. And by the way, this guy here is Goku from Dragon Ball Z. His face is somehow not visible because it's going out of frame, but Goku is saying hi. So Goku is saying if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you should right now hit the subscribe button on this video, or you should also hit the like button, thumbs up. Okay, so go to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/, the lean programmer, and it's like this, the lean programmer. Okay, go to the YouTube channel, and just in case you don't know what is N8N, what are LLMs, what are AI agent, what are workflow, what is automation, you can quickly go to my videos on youtube.com/, the lean programmer, and watch my latest video. Give me 40 minutes and I will teach you N8N. It's a 40 minutes crash course on N8N. It will teach you everything you need to know about how can you create your own automations using N8N. So if you don't know what's N8N, you should pause this video right now and just click on this video and see it. Okay, let's continue with our video. So if you are continuing here, I'm assuming that you already know what is N8N and you already know what are workflows, and you want to build this Telegram integration of AI chatbot. So without any further delay, let's get started. I'll decrease the size of my video a little bit so that you can see more information on the screen. Okay, this looks good. So let's get started. So I am going to obviously run N8N locally because the cloud version of N8N is paid, and you can run the paid version as well if you like. It will make things a lot more easier. You won't have to do any major steps like these, which I'm going to show you. These steps. Setting the trigger credentials for Telegram. It's going to be a little tricky, not too much, a little tricky, little tricky. But if you want to continue doing it locally, you can just go to any place on your laptop, just open a terminal, open a command prompt, open a PowerShell, open a bash, anything, and just type npx n8n. If you face any issue, let me know in the comment section. So we are going to do things locally because that's the free version of it, and I don't know whether the person watching this video, you right now are a student or you're a working professional, so I don't know whether you'll be able to pay for the cloud version or not. So that's why I'm helping you build all your workflows locally. Let's hit enter, npxn8n. So if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to take a lot of time, at least 3 or 4 or 5 minutes. But for me, it should be rather quick because I already have it installed, so it will quickly load all the settings from my local, and it will open it, and now I can directly access it on my localhost 5678. It is going to ask you to either sign in or create a new account. I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. um, Let me just type the password. Okay, now we have this. Da-da-da-da. Now I'm going to create a new workflow. What is a workflow? If you don't know what is workflow, if you are not familiar with this N8N portal, if you're not familiar with automation, what are you waiting for? Just go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/, the lean programmer, press the subscribe button, and search for my crash course on N8N. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to build this Telegram bot in 3 steps. First step, we're going to build a bot that you can send messages to. Simple, something like this. whatever message that you send to this bot should be captured in N8N. That's the first step. Your N8N should be listening to your Telegram bot. As soon as a user asks a question to your chatbot, it should come to our N8N. Second step, we are going to pass that question to an AI agent, an existing AI agent. It can be ChatGPT, it can be DeepSeek, it can be Llama, it can be any model, right? You are going to pass that text to an AI agent. The third step is going to be whatever response that you get from that AI agent, you're going to pass it back to the Telegram. As simple as that. So in three quick steps, we are going to have our whole AI agent ready, which you can talk to. Hey, hello, good morning, whatever. Explain in one line what is N8N and so on. You can ask it anything you want. So let's quickly get started. So we already have our N8N running locally. The first thing that we are going to do is obviously we are going to build a new Telegram bot. Right. So to build a new Telegram bot, what you need to do is you first of all need to have a Telegram account. You can just, I'm hoping that you can easily do it on your own. I don't need to show you. Just go to Telegram, download Telegram, and create a new account. Then the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to Botfather. So Telegram has this service called Botfather. Okay, and that can help you quickly create Telegram bots. All you need to do is t.me/botfather, and it will open Botfather on your desktop or whatever web version of Telegram. So let's open it. That took me to Botfather, and now what I can do is I can type new bot. Okay, it will help me create a new bot. What name should we give to our new bot? The name can be let's say it's just going to be a name, so the name can be my coolest AI Telegram bot. Okay. Now it's asking for a username. A username, it can be the same, I guess. Yeah, same thing. It works. So what you need to do now is you need to copy this access token. This is the API key that is going to act like a bridge between N8N and your Telegram bot. Okay. So I hope you still remember what we are doing. I hope it's not too confusing, and I hope we are not going too fast. It's already 7 minutes into the video, and I promised you that I'm going to help you build an AI agent in less than 20 minutes, and I'm going to keep my promise. So we are going a little fast. If you don't understand anything in between, just let me know. I'll let you know in the comment section, or I'll create a new video on it. I'm here to help you, and let's grow in this AI era together, right? And I'm here. I've restarted my YouTube channel. I paused my YouTube channel because I kind of it takes a lot of time to make video, right? And there's no ROI. I'm not getting out of these videos, and this whole channel is non-monetized, so I don't get anything from these videos. But I'm still making these videos because I want all of us to grow together in this AI era. I just don't want anyone to kind of not know what things can we do with AI, right? So the first step is the setting the credentials. So now, if you want, by the way, if you want this, I have a markdown where you can read all these steps. If you don't like going through the whole video, I can just quickly send you this file as well. Just comment in the comment section that, hey, just give me a markdown, and that's it. Cool. So what we need to do now is we need to go to N8N and we need to add a trigger step. What is a trigger step? If you don't know, I have a crash course on N8N. You can just go to 40 minutes crash course on my YouTube channel, The Lean Programmer. Let's search for the Telegram on message. We need a trigger on message. So whenever a user sends a message to our Telegram bot, it should be received here. Okay. Let me delete the existing one. So you'll be seeing something like this here. So you need to create a new credential and you need to copy and paste the credentials that botfather gave you. This thing, just copy this, okay, and just paste it. That's it. As simple as that. Cool. Okay, now let's save it. It's going to connect your Telegram to N8N, and yeah, connection tested successfully. You can close it now. That's it. As simple as that. Now let's test it out. What we are going to do is I'm going to execute the step. Okay, it will start listening to Telegram. Let's quickly do this and start it. Okay, start. Now, what should ideally happen? Ideally, it's not going to happen because if it were so easy, then why would we even need a video on this, right? It's not that easy, but it's not that difficult as well. So you ideally your slash start should have been captured here, but there was an error. The error says bad request, bad webhook, and HTTPS URL must be provided for webhook. Now just try to understand what's happening, or maybe do one thing. Just pause this video right now and comment below. What do you think is the problem? Here's a simple hint for you that our N8N is running on localhost 5678. I want you, I want you to pause this video right now and just tell me in comments what do you think is the issue. Okay, you might or might not have guessed it right, but let me answer this for you. So what is happening here is you're sending a message, let's say hi, but this bot is not running locally. This bot is running on the Telegram server. I hope you're understanding now. This message is going to Telegram server and your API key is linking your Telegram server to whatever you want. But your your N8N is running locally. So what N8N is saying is it is basically connecting your Telegram bot through this access token. Access token acts like a bridge to this webhook URL. So it's saying your N8N is saying whenever you get a message, whenever the bot associated with this API key gets a message, it should forward that message to localhost 5678. Got it? But then your bot is not running in localhost 5678. That's the issue. I hope you understand. Okay, once again, your bot is running on Telegram servers, which could be anywhere. It's not on your computer. But your Telegram is saying that whenever you get a message, just forward it to 5678, which is not possible, right? Because the, the localhost 5678 is your computer. It's not their computers. And in their server, some other service or something completely unrelated might be running in 5678. So what we need to do is we need a production URL. We need a deployed URL. You won't see this error if you run this in cloud version of N8N or if you self-host it somewhere. I hope you're understanding now. So what we need to do is here comes Ngrok, or some people call it Ngrok. I don't know which one is right. Ngrok will come to the rescue. All I need you to do is go to Ngrok on Google, search for Ngrok on Google, go to the first link, just sign up, create a free account. That's it, and download Ngrok. Get Ngrok. You can download it for free, easily, very easily. You can download the simple one, Windows. Okay, once you download it, just install it, and then you will have an ngrok.exe. Ngrok.exe. Okay, just open it, and it's going to look something like this. This is localhost. Wait, it's going to look like this. Wherever you download it, it's going to be like this, Ngrok. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to first of all add a auth token. Once you sign up, you can easily see an auth token in your uh, authentication token. It should look something like this. Dashboard. So once you sign up, once you log in, you will get a dashboard, and in your dashboard you will get your auth token. You can copy it and you can just type this command ngrok config add auth token and your auth token. That's it. Okay, that's all we need to do. Fine. Now we'll just close this. Once you do that, just hit the like button on this video once you do that. Okay, never mind. Once you do that, what I want you to do is I want you to first of all type this command ngrok http 5678. That's it. Okay, now I want you to guess what's happening here. Just pause this video. See, I'm not a lecturer, I'm not your college professor. I'm here to help you learn new things. And learning new things is not just listening to someone speak, it's acting on it, it's executing on your own. So what I want you to do is just pause this video and let me know in the comment section on what is happening here. I hope you guessed it right. So I'm going to tell you. Basically, earlier your service was running on 5678 localhost, but Ngrok is basically kind of a reverse proxy. What is a reverse proxy? What is a proxy basically? A proxy server is basically just a server, temporary server, which is just used to, in layman terms, obviously I'm not going too deep into technical definition because this is not a technical course, this is not a networking course, this is just a AI agents course, automation course, for which you don't even need any coding knowledge. So I'm going to just explain you in very quick words. So what happens in a proxy server is a proxy server just forwards one request to another server. That's it. That's all you need to know. So what happens is ngrok is going to give you a free URL that you can use to access your localhost 567 from anywhere, and you can test it right now itself. Just copy this URL. Okay. Oh, by the way, I pressed Control C twice, so that's that's why it kind of. Okay, close this. Okay, now this is the new URL. What you have to do is you can go anywhere. Let's say I open a new incognito tab and let's open it. It will open it easily. See? So you can open it from anywhere. What it's doing is underneath it's just redirecting to your local host. That's it. But it's giving you a HTTPS URL that you can use to kind of let go of all the issues that you face with the local host, the issue that I was telling you, and you can easily connect it to your Telegram bot. So now what's going to happen is now whenever we type hello, it's going to route this request to this, and then it's going to work. So let me log in once again. Okay, let's go back to our workflow. And in our workflow, what are we going to do is we are going to check the webhook URL. But what happened here? Webhook URL did not change. It did not change. It's still localhost 567N. So what happens is N8N takes the webhook URL from localhost, or not from environment, sorry, from environment variables. What you can do now is you can go back to the terminal where your N8N is running. Just close this by clicking Control C. We'll clear the screen. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an environment variable called webhook underscore URL equal to, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the ngrok URL. That's it. And I'm going to pipe it with npx n8n. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now basically what's happening is first it's running the webhook URL and then it's running n8n. So what happened is whenever we run n8n now, it's going to take the environment variable, the webhook URL from the environment variable, and uh, uh, run your whatever set your webhook URLs to this URL, which means now you can easily uh, create your Telegram integration. So we are almost 18 minutes. The remaining 2-3 steps are very simple. So it's just going to take 5 more minutes for now. So now let's just test it out. The webhook URL is correct. We'll close the old instance. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to execute the step. And if you see here, we got all the messages. Hi. Let's test it once again. We have this running here, and now I'm going to say hello. And we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Hello. Perfect. So we are done with the first step. First step takes a lot of time, obviously, because it's a completely new step and it involves 2-3 credentials, URL forwarding and stuff. The second step is going to be very easy. What we need to do is step 1. We need to capture all the messages that we got from on Telegram to N8N. Step 2. We need to just pass those messages to any chatbot. It can be Chat GPT. It can be anything, right? It can be OpenAI, Chat GPT. It can be DeepSeek, anything. So what you need to do is search for AI agent. Just add it, and that's it. Now you need to set a chat model here. Now you can connect it with anything. You can connect it with Google Gemini, DeepSeek chat model, OpenAI chat GPT, and so on. What I prefer is OpenRouter because it gives you access to all the models right? But you still need a API key for this. Let me delete it. So you will see something like this, OpenRouter chat model, as simple as that. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go to Google and search for OpenRouter. So OpenRouter basically is one place for multiple kind of models. You just need to sign in and create a new account, sign up and create a new account. That's it. Once you create a new account, you need to go to your dashboard. It You can go to your dashboard by going to settings and then keys, API keys, and then create a new API key. I'm going to call this my LLM Telegram key. Anything works, right? Okay, let's create it and then just copy it. As simple as that. See, it's so easy. Now, what you need to do is create a new credential and just paste this key here. Save. That's it. See, it's so simple. And one last thing, model. You need to select a free model unless and until you want to pay. If you want to pay, you can select some better models as well. You can obviously go to your OpenRouter website and then select whatever model you want to choose. But then still, it's kind of this video. I don't know whether you are a student or you're a working professional. So I don't know whether you want to use the free model or the paid model. So I'm going to select a free model. The one I prefer would be DeepSeek R1 free. This is free. There are multiple free models, by the way. You can search for it. So I'm going to select this one. And that's it. Okay. Now I'm going to add a simple memory. In this simple memory, I'm going to define below the key session ID. It needs a session ID for each session, each message basically. I'm just going to provide the, let's say update ID. That should be fine. Okay, that's it. So this thing will work now. That's fine. So this is working, this is working. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now let's test out our model. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to define my prompt here. So it can be anything. So now we already have step one. You remember step one we got whenever we type something to our Telegram, we can capture it in N8N. This looks like this. The JSON would look like this. We have the chat ID, we have the text. Text is what we want. So we can do anything. We can just add a prompt like, let's say if you're building a translation bot, it can be translate this text. And then you can copy and paste your text here. Okay. For now, I'm just going to keep this text as it is because for now, my AI chatbot is basically just forwarding the request that came into Telegram to DeepSeek model. That's it. You can customize it as much as you want. You can add prompts. Let's assume you're building a therapy bot. You can add a new prompt that, hey, act as a therapy agent, hey, act as my personal therapist, and then whatever, do reply it as if you are a therapy agent, whatever. You can add your prompt as you like, as you wish. Perfect. So now let's try to execute this step. Executing now, it's going to take some time, obviously. And the output. Hello, how can I assist you today? Let's make it awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is so cool. This is very cool. So now we have our AI agent running. We have our Telegram bot running. Now the only remaining thing is the last step, final step, add node to send messages to Telegram. So you're going to add the final node in N8N, which is first step, we capture the messages from N8N. Second step, we pass it through the AI agent. Third step, we just send it back to the same chat in Telegram. So what I'm going to do is add another node. I'm going to type Telegram. If you are watching, still watching, and if you um, haven't liked this video, just like this video right now. Otherwise, I'm going to be very, very angry. Very angry. But even if I'm angry, I can't do anything. I'll just request, hey, please like this video. Anyways, so the chat ID can be provided through the output from the first step, which was the chat. That's it. And then the text can be provided from the output of the second AI agent. That's it. Reply markup. Do we need to do? Yeah, it's not required. Cool. Let's execute this step, executing node. And as you can see, I just got a message on my Telegram. Hello, how can I assist you today? Let's make it awesome. So this is now working. Let's save it and let's make it active. So as long as your local host is running, your Telegram chatbot will start replying to you. Let's have fun with it. Hey, let's see if our Telegram chatbot is working. Uh, Um, yeah, I just got a message. See, hey, how can I assist you today? Um, Find. I'm creating a YouTube video. Suggest a buy message in one line. Okay. So whatever it says, I'm going to say that and then I'm going to stop recording. So let's wait for this. Let's hope it succeeds, which it should, yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and smash the bell icon. Bye for now. See you next week with a new video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button right now and hit the like button right now. See you in the next video. Hope you liked it and comment below on what do you want to learn next. Bye bye.